Welcome to Tech's Review. Today, I will show you step-by-step process to make unlimited horror stories or scary stories without effort with single AI. This AI was #1 product of the day on Product Hunt. This AI can generate full story script automatically from any single keyword. Suppose you will write zombie story as your input, less than 1 minute, this AI will generate a zombie story for you. And many more. Watch full video to reveal the strategy. With making horror stories, many channels earns a lot from YouTube. Here an example, channel earns $3,000 to $50,000 every single month and $38,000 to $613,000 yearly according to Social Blade. Our strategy is less easier than this channel. Let's see in detail of this channel. This horror story based channel named Mr. Nightmare have 6.46 million subscribers. Most popular videos got 29 million, 26 million, 13 million views. Most recent video got 570k views within 5 days. These are the videos from this channel. With my strategy you will learn to create horror or scary stories. And then you will need to create your own YouTube channel to start earning. You will need to be consistent and passionate. Focus on your content, title, thumbnail, and must upload video regularly to start your earning from YouTube. Now before start, I want to show you few more example so that you can understand the capacity of the AI I will show you. Every story you are watching here was generated by me earlier to make you clear everything you need to know before starting. Please make sure you are watching full video. If you have any confusion arise, you can always ask on comment section. I promise I will reply all comments one by one, so you don't need to worry about. This AI have many features like create consistent characters, create scenes, places, worlds, animate your characters. You can build your own AI actor or AI characters with this AI. Have image studio to generate images within minutes, video studio to make videos, have ability to generate AI presenter videos or AI avatar videos, storytelling videos and many more. Not only horror or scary videos with this AI, you can generate fantasy stories, children's stories, action stories, romance stories, drama-based stories, comedy-based stories, mystery-based stories, science fiction-based stories, crime-based stories, history-based stories, superhero-based stories. In this AI, you will able to use 12 different visual style of you for your story you can choose. Digital art, realistic, cartoon, 3D cartoon, storybook, classic, horror, anime, 3D anime, neonpunk, fantasy and science fiction. Please check my channel to find more relevant videos. Now let's get started with this AI. You will find the necessary links in description. When clicking with the link you redirected to this page, click on sign up with Google button for easy sign up. After signing up, you will redirect to this home page. Not showing you other features, rather going straight to generate our first horror story. Click on Story Studio button from left menu. And then click on New Story button on right top. Click on Help Me Get a Story button. AI will ask who is your story for? I wrote any. Then, what's your goal by creating this story? I wrote any. Now AI asked what genre the story should be. This is important part, we have to select horror. Most important part AI asked is any quick ideas what this story is about? The input you will give the story AI will generate. I just wrote zombie as my input, you can use whatever you want. Then click on Generate Story Outline button. Within few seconds AI will generate a story for us. Here the story characters and story outline. Check this carefully if you want, because our story video will be depend on this. And after you satisfy, click on Create the Story button. Now select the story format. We are selecting horizontal, and then select horror visual style. When you are generating horror or scary video, it is required to select horror visual style. Then click to continue to Character Creator button will start developing our characters of the story. This process will take 3 to 5 minutes. After generation of characters, click Continue to Storyboard button. This will start generating images according to our story. This process also takes 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your internet speed. I am fast forwarding the process. Here our story images are ready for final video output. Let's check the images AI generated for our story. If you not satisfy with any image, you can always change it till satisfy. Now click on Export button. Our video will be ready within next 5 to 7 minutes. I am fast forwarding again. Remember, AI voiceover and subtitle will be added automatically by this AI. If you have any confusion, you can ask in comment section. Let's see the final production.
In the dying light of day, the survivors huddle inside the desolate hospital, fear etched on their faces. Each step she takes reverberates through the empty halls, unknowingly drawing the attention of the lurking undead. Trapped within a sea of decaying flesh, panic grips her heart as she desperately seeks an escape route. The metal door stands as a barrier between life and death, the sound of pounding fists a haunting symphony of futility. With every inch gained, hope blooms within her chest as the darkness below slowly fades away. The air is thick with the stench of decay and scientific curiosity, a chilling reminder of the horrors lurking beneath the surface. The grotesque tableau serves as a grim testament to the twisted experiments conducted in the name of progress. With newfound purpose burning in their hearts, they steel themselves for the challenges awaiting in the bowels of the laboratory. Armed with hope and defiance, they vanish into the shadows, their footsteps echoing a resolute march towards
Comment
a
below,
precarious
is this AI
future.
easy and awesome or not? Let's generate another horror story to make you understand the capacity of this AI. Doing the same process as before. If you found our video helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. As the idea of the story here, I give input as an horror story of a 25 years girl.